What's up, guys? Fresco BK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. I've got a special unboxing look for you guys today, feeling a little bit extraterrestrial. So we're going with the Mars Landing Air Max 90. Of course, and it's Air Max month, but say less of all this talking. Let's get straight to these shoes. We've got the standard box top here, and please let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think that these are absolutely fire, but that's just me. Everybody's subject to their opinion, but here we have the Mars Landing Air Max 90. Of course, set to be released in a few weeks, but we have them here early, so let's take a quick look at the upper. The upper is made to resemble the outer, like the crater space of the planet Mars, so as you guys can see that through the entire detailing. But another super cool detail about these shoes are that they are completely 3M. So we have 3M throughout this entire upper that you guys can see here. I shift to the back panel. We have the silver back tab there with the Nike Air. Inner panel, once again, the Mars Landing, so it's made to resemble the planet Mars, and you'll see it like an orange kind of magma color that you guys will see there, but it's completely 3M. We're gonna get to the midsole. Features the full black midsole with the speckle. The speckle in this midsole is also 3M. We have additional sets of laces here that you guys can see, the black pair. And then we have another additional orange pair, but this one has the 3M in it. The laces that are on the actual shoe are just the standard orange laces. We have the silver tab hit right there, also on the tongue that you guys can see there. And the inserts of the shoe, of course, read the Nike Air. Got the Nike Air right there on the inside. Both similar on each shoe. Let's take a look at these outsoles. Fully translucent outsole that you guys can see there. And I'll give you one last look at the Mars Landing Air Max 90, set to be released soon, and it is Air Max month, so shouts out to all my Air Max heads, but we have them right here at Stadium. We have the Mars Landing Air Max 90, and of course we have the Moon Landing, which released a few years ago, and you guys can see it's slightly different with the lunar outsole. But we have both here available at Stadium, and like I said, it is Air Max month, but you know we always have to choose one at the end of the video, and this one's really difficult, but I don't know, right now I may go with the Moon Landing, but the Mars Landing is still really fire. And as I mentioned before, we have both of these available right here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Please follow us on all social media platforms. That's at Stadium Goods. Please download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. And if you have any questions or inquiries regarding anything Stadium Goods or anything Air Max or anything sneaker related, visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and salud.